By the end of the production run of face shields, we managed to produce up to 50,000 parts per day, and we ran like that for a number of weeks. The liquid crystal Magna is a powerhouse of productivity. The only reason we were able to scale up to those sorts of numbers is because it was so reliable. We knew that this was the goal, the huge mass print farm idea. Custom mass manufacture has always been our aim, and the ability to go to this sort of scale was only enabled by COVID. We had no other justification for doing it, so we didn't really understand the full potential of our printers until we did it. The ability, particularly of the LC Magna, to produce simultaneously large parts and lots of very small parts is somewhat unique to this machine. That has meant that whilst we've expanded this for the coronavirus pandemic, we've had a lot of interest from both automakers for various parts within cars, consumer grade parts of various types and various shapes and sizes, as well as obviously the specific dental and medical applications that we'll be focusing on next. With the 3D printing, it obviously enables you to have freedom of geometry, so you can produce just about any part you like in any shape or any format you like, and also any material. That allows you to produce parts that weren't previously achieved by injection molding. It can't come out of a tool in injection molding in many cases, so it gives the designer much more freedom. .3D printing definitely has a place in the world's manufacturing sphere. If you're a business looking to scale up the mass manufacture of real-world parts, not just functional prototypes or one-off display pieces, Photocentric can really help you to get there. We've scaled it up for ourselves, we can now help the world scale it up. We're the world leaders in the materials, we're the world leaders in the machines, particularly of this sort of size, and we offer a great service at a competitive price.